Good day, grade 8 students. So I'm Miss Aika, your math tutor. So for today's lesson, we are going to find the equation of a line given 2 points, a slope and a point, and a slope and its intercepts. So the first one, we are going to discuss writing the linear equation or writing linear equation using 2 points or what we call the 2-point form. So here is our formula for that. We have y minus y sub 1 is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 all over x sub 2 minus x sub 1 multiplied by the quantity x minus x sub 1. So, yan yung gagamitin nating formula sa ating tinatawag na 2-point form. So, yan ay gagamitin lang kapag ang given natin ay 2 points, meaning we have 2 ordered pairs. So, we have first example, we have 1, 2, and so we have 1, 2, and 2, 5. So, yan daw yung given natin na 2 points. So, paano natin malalaman yung equation na pa-line natin kung 2 points lang yung given? So, you will just substitute the values of x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, and y sub 2. So, ito yung magiging x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, and y sub 2. So, isa-substitute lang natin siya sa formula natin. Y minus y sub 1, we have 2, is equal to y sub 2, which is 5, minus y sub 1, we have 2, all over x sub 2, which is 2, minus our x sub 1, which is 1, multiply by x minus x sub 1, which is 1. So, simplify. Y minus 2 is equal to 5 minus 2, that is 3. 2 minus 1, that is 1. Multiply by x minus 1. So, we have y minus 2 is equal to 3. Multiply by x minus 1. So, simplify lang natin. Distribute 3 dun sa ating x minus 1. So, we have y minus 2 is equal to 3x minus 3. Then, simplify natin. So, combine like terms. So, galing sa y minus 2 is equal to 3x minus 3. So, we have y is equal to 3x. Pwede natin i-combine si negative 2 kay negative 3. So, kapag inilipat natin yan sa right side, magiging positive na siya. So, we have negative 3 plus 2. So, simply, y is equal to 3x minus 1. So, yan, yung slope-intercept form natin. So, paano naman natin siya gagawing standard form? Kasi yun yung ating magiging linear equation. Pero linear equation din naman siya. So, we have y is equal to 3x minus 1. So, transpose positive 3x to the left side. We have negative 3x plus y is equal to negative 1. So, dahil negative yung x natin, you will just multiply all of them by negative 1. So, we have 3x minus y is equal to positive 1. So, ito yung ating standard form. Ito yung ating slope-intercept form. So, ganyan yung paggamit ng ating 2-point form or kapag ang given ay 2 points. Okay, so another example, we need to write the equation of the line that goes through the points 5, 4, and 7, 6. So, 5, 4, that will be your x sub 1, y sub 1, and 7, 6, that will be your x sub 2, and y sub 2. So, i-substitute lang natin siya sa 2-point form formula natin, which is y minus y sub 1 is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 all over x sub 2 minus x sub 1 multiplied by x minus x sub 1. So, y minus x sub 1, that is 4, is equal to y sub 2, that is 6, minus y sub 1, which is 4, all over 7, x sub 2, and 5, x sub 1, multiplied by x minus x sub 1, which is 5. So, simplify. Y minus 4 is equal to 6 minus 4, that is 2, all over 7 minus 5, that is 2. Then, x minus 5. So, y minus 4 is equal to 1 multiplied by x minus 5. So, that will become simply y minus 4 is equal to x minus 5. Then, simplify. Combine like terms. So, pwede natin i-combine si negative 4 kay negative 5. So, ito transpose lang natin siya sa kabilang side. So, we have y is equal to x minus 5 plus 4. That will become y is equal to x minus 1. So, yan yung ating magiging slope-intercept form. So, gawin naman natin siya in standard form. So, y is equal to x minus 1. So, transpose positive x to the other side. So, negative x plus y is equal to negative 1. Multiply the equation by negative 1 para maging positive si x. So, we have x minus y is equal to positive 1. So, that will be our standard form. Okay, so now we are going to write linear equation using a point and a slope. So, gagamitin natin dito yung tinatawag natin na point-slope form. So, we are going to find the equation of the line of m is equal to negative 2/3 and negative 5, 2. So, yung slope natin is negative 2/3 and yung given point natin is negative 5, 2. So, ito yung ating slope-intercept form or yung ating tinatawag na point-slope form rather. So, we have y minus y sub 1 is equal to m multiplied by x minus x sub 1. Okay, so substitute all of the given. So, we have y minus y sub 1. So, dahil isa lang naman yung point natin, that is considered as your x sub 1 and y sub 1. So, y sub 1 is 2 is equal to the slope. What is our slope? So, we have negative 2/3. Multiply by x minus x sub 1, that is negative 5. So, that will become y minus 2 is equal to negative 2/3 multiply by x plus 5. So, magiging positive na siya kasi negative times negative is positive. Okay. So, ano natin? Distribute natin sa negative 2/3 para ma-simplify natin. So, negative 2/3 x. So, negative 2/3 multiply by x, that is negative 2/3 x plus, so, negative 2/3 times 5. So, 5 times 2, that is negative 10 over 3. So, magiging ganyan siya. So, para mawala yung ating denominator na 3, maiwan natin yung ating negative 2, multiply both sides by negative or by positive 3. Kasi positive naman yung denominator natin. So, makakancel na siya. Magkakaroon tayo ng 3y minus 3 times 2, negative 6. Then, may iwan na lang si negative 2, wala na sa denominator kasi na-cancel na siya. 2x. Then, cancel na din si 3 dito, maiiwan si negative 10. So, ngayon, pwede na natin siyang isimplify. So, we have 3y is equal to negative 2x minus 10 plus 6. So, itinranspose natin si negative 6 sa kabila para masimplify natin by combining like terms. So, we are going to have 3y is equal to negative 2x minus 4. Divide both sides by 3 para ma-eliminate si 3 dito, maiwan si y. So, we have there y is equal to negative 2/3 x minus 4/3. So, that is our slope-intercept form. Okay, for this one, ang gawin naman natin dyan ay standard form. Pero, through the use of, point-slope form. So, we have there y minus y sub 1, that is 4, is equal to slope 3, multiplied by x minus x sub 1, which is 2. So, y minus 4 is equal to 3x minus 6. So, ito ay dinistribute lamang. Then, combine like terms, we have negative 6 plus 4, y is equal to 3x minus 2. So, yan yung ating slope-intercept form. Pero sabi ko kanina, gagawin natin siyang standard form. So, from y is equal to 3x minus 2, i-transpose natin si positive 3x to the other side para magkaroon tayo ng ax plus by. So, negative 3x plus y is equal to negative 2. Dahil negative yung value of x natin, you are going to multiply the whole equation to negative 1 or by negative 1. So, we have positive 3x, negative y, and positive 2. So, yan na yung ating magiging standard form. So, for the last method in writing a linear equation, we are going to use a slope and its intercept. So, for example, you are going to find the equation of a line where slope and y-intercept is already given. So, we have here m is equal to negative 2/3 and b, which is the y-intercept, is equal to 5. So, tandaan nyo lang ng slope-intercept form natin ay y is equal to mx plus b. So, you are just going to substitute the slope into m dun sa value ng m, then y-intercept dun sa value ng b. So, like this one. So, y is equal to m. So, negative 2/3. Then, we have x plus yung ating y-intercept, which is 5. So, tanggalin lang siya sa ating parenthesis by simplifying the equation. So, we have y is equal to negative 2/3 x plus 5. So, ayan na agad yung ating slope-intercept form. So, kung ang hinihingi naman ay standard form, rewrite na natin siya into standard form. So, y is equal to negative 2/3 x plus 5. So, multiply both sides by 3 para ma-cancel out yung denominator natin na 3. So, 3 times y, that is 3y. Then, cancel na natin si 3. May iwan yung ating numerator na negative 2x. Then, 3 times 5, that is positive 15. So, ngayon, wala na yung ating denominator. We can rewrite it as or in standard form. So, we are going to transpose negative 2x to the left side. So, we have 2x plus 3y is equal to positive 15. So, yan na yung ating standard form ng ating linear equation. We have 2x plus 3y is equal to 15. Positive na si x, kaya hindi na kailangan pang i-multiply siya by negative 1. So, ganun lang kasimple. So, sabayan niyo ako dito. So, from slope-intercept form, gawin natin siyang standard form. So, we have there, y is equal to m, which is 5, x plus b, which is negative 7. So, yung y at saka yung b, parehas lang yun. That is considered as our y-intercept. So, we have y is equal to 5x, positive multiplied by negative, that is negative 7. So, yan yung ating slope-intercept. Gawin na natin siyang standard form. So, y is equal to 5x minus 7. I-transpose lang si x sa ating left side. We have negative 5x plus y is equal to negative 7. So, dahil negative yung value ng x natin, we're going to multiply it by negative 1. So, pwedeng i-change all the sign na lang. So, negative magiging positive, positive magiging negative, negative magiging positive. Therefore, the standard form is 5x minus y is equal to 7. So, depende sa given natin kung ano ang gagamitin natin sa pagkuha ng ating linear equation or yung equation of the line natin. If the given is 2 points, you're going to use the 2-point form, yung ginamit natin sa ating unang discussion, sa first example. Then, kung ang given naman ay slope and a point, you're going to use point-slope form. And if the given is a slope and y-intercept, or its intercept, ito naman yung gagamitin natin. So, mas mahalaga din dito na alam nyo kung paano i-rewrite ang slope-intercept form sa standard form at ang standard form sa slope-intercept form. So, yan lang yung discussion natin ngayon. Magkita-kita ulit tayo sa susunod nating lesson. That's all for today, grade 8. Thank you!